In today's video, we will explain how resin finish can improve your warehouse and the process HPS takes to replacing an older floor. HPS offers many flooring solutions, one of which being the resin finish. This floor is perfect for any warehouse due to its resistances to chemicals, impacts, and abrasions. During this project, HPS got called to fix a concrete slab and redo the epoxy floor. The slab had been cracked along the joints, causing a dust issue. HBS got straight to work. We first diamond ground the pre-existing epoxy before fixing the cracked areas. Once the workspace was cleaned, the resin was poured. The resin creates a strong bond between the floor and the shelves, ensuring they do not move while being handled. For more information, contact us at hpsfloors.com or call us at 732 384 5577.